Hello and welcome to Taiwan Tech Dispatch, where we explore the most fascinating developments shaping the technology industry in Taiwan and across the world. I'm your host, White Chu. From ChatGPT to protein folding models, AI has changed how we write, code, and create. But now it is transforming something much deeper, the science of life itself. Today, we're diving into how AI is helping Taiwan's biotech startups accelerate research, reduce costs, and compete on a global scale. When people think of Taiwan, they usually think of semiconductors and electronics. But a silent revolution is happening in biotech, powered by the island's deep expertise in AI. Chapter 1: Taiwan's Biotech Roots and Challenges. For years, biotech has been one of Taiwan's most promised industries. It always has strong talent coming from top academic institutions, but it has struggled to produce global scale companies. Why is that? Traditional biotech, especially new drug development, faces enormous challenges. R&D cycles are incredibly long, often more than a decade to bring a single drug to market. It demands billions in capital for research and clinical trials. Add a maze of regulatory approvals, and you have a high risk environment that scares away many investors. So, it's no surprise that Taiwanese investors used to faster returns from hardware and semiconductors have stayed cautious about biotech. That's why the rise of AI tools is such a game changer. It's rewriting the rules of what's possible in life science innovation. Chapter 2: How AI tools are changing the game. So, how exactly is AI changing biotech? We're seeing it across several key areas. Predictive modeling now simulates molecular interactions, drastically speeding up the early stages of drug discovery. AI is revolutionizing digital pathology and medical imaging, helping doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. And in synthetic biology, AI helps design and simulate new biological systems. What once took months of painstaking lab work can now be simulated in days on the cloud. This reduction in time and cost is lowering the barrier to entry, and Taiwanese startups are seizing the opportunity. Take AetherAI, for example. They use AI for pathology image recognition, helping hospitals improve diagnostic accuracy. Another key player, Taiwan AI Labs, applies machine learning to genomics and precision medicine. Even established firms like Pharma Engine are exploring AI assisted clinical trial analysis. Instead of competing in the high stakes marathon of drug development, these companies are building world class AI driven research tools and medical platforms. As my recent article highlights, companies like Syncell and AIM show this shift clearly. Syncell develops high end biotech instruments for protein analysis. AIM builds AI powered medical imaging systems already adopted by over 50 hospitals in Taiwan, and now expanding into Japan and Southeast Asia. Together, they demonstrate a transformation from slow molecule by molecule experimentation to rapid data driven discovery. These are solutions with shorter development cycles, faster paths to commercialization, and immediate international demand. Chapter 3: Going Global with AI. This trend isn't happening in a vacuum. The global race for AI driven drug discovery is already underway, and Taiwan is quietly but steadily joining in. Internationally, we see in silico medicine in Hong Kong using AI for end to end drug discovery. DeepMind's AlphaFold has revolutionized protein structure prediction. And in the US, Recursion Pharmaceuticals uses computer vision to analyze cellular images at massive scale. So, where does Taiwan fit in? The island brings a unique combination of strengths: world class data engineering and cloud computing know how, a mature digital health infrastructure, and tight partnerships between hospitals and tech companies. The government is also pushing initiatives in bio ICT and AI driven healthcare. In short, Taiwan isn't trying to reinvent pharma from scratch. It's building the intelligent tools that make modern drug discovery possible. Chapter 4: The Future Outlook. Looking ahead, biotech could become a key pillar of Taiwan's next economic phase. By combining deep scientific talent with world leading AI and hardware capabilities, the island is perfectly positioned for global collaboration. We are already seeing growing partnerships with global pharma giants and cloud providers like IBM Watson X, AWS, and Microsoft Azure, all searching for innovative platforms to accelerate their own research. It raises a bigger question: can Taiwan evolve from being the world's hardware factory into a global hub for intelligent life science? Closing and call to action. AI is blurring the line between computer science and biology. And for Taiwan, that intersection might just be the bridge to its next global breakthrough. It's the story of leveraging existing strengths to carve out a unique and powerful niche on the world stage. To explore this topic further, you can read my full article on the blog at whiteatsu.blog. The links in the show notes. This is White Shoe, and you're listening to Taiwan Tech Dispatch. For more stories on how Taiwan's tech ecosystem is reshaping the world, follow me on LinkedIn and subscribe to the podcast on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts. Thanks for tuning in.